Everybody, this is my first time talking in a video, so we'll see how that goes. Might have to mute myself out later. Just want to do a quick little video showing a bit about figuring out gauge. I am working on a mitten pattern, and this is using Tunisian crochet in the round, and I need to do some resizing and whatnot. So to do that, I need to know my gauge. I have this neat little tool that I bought on Amazon. I'm not getting paid to promote them or anything, but you can Google it under, I think it was under crochet ruler, or you can use a measuring tape. Doesn't really matter. Generally, standard gauges tend to be about 4 inches, but this right here is in centimeters. Doesn't matter too much because 10 centimeters is pretty much 4 inches. And there's a little bit of math that I'll show you how to do. So first we need to find out our gauge. I like this little window. So basically you move it in so that your stitches go across and then we count them. So in this case we have in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stitches. So we have 11 stitches for every 4 inches or 10 centimeters. But how many rows is it? Same idea. This nice variegated yarn, so it makes it a little bit easier for counting. And we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I was measuring my own hand, the width comes to be, about 8. Now these are super thick mittens, which is why I'm loving them, because I live in a really cold place in Ottawa, and it's sort of like a double layer. Reminds me of thrummed mittens, but they're not thrummed mittens. So I want to have basically 8 inches going across, but I need some room too because of the thickness, so I'm going to go about 9 inches, plus or minus a little bit, because I need an even number for this pattern. It makes it easier when I'm going up at the ends. So here I have 11 stitches is 4 inches, but if I want to get to, we're going to do equivalent fractions if you remember that at school. I want to get it up to about 8.5, so I'll just put in 9 inches because I like to move my hands a lot. In order to figure out what this number is here, we take this, multiply by this, divide by that. So it becomes 99 divided by 4. So we have 2, 8, 1, 9, 4. And it's going to be 4 point something because we're going to end up with 1 0 left over, and then that's going to be 2 something. So in the end, because I'm adding an inch and I don't really need to add a whole inch, I'm going to go with the number 24, and that'll become important later. So that is going to be 24 stitches for my circumference. When I'm talking about my height, it's almost the same as the circumference. I was looking that up online. I think it was an Interweave magazine online if you want to Google it. But if I'm going from the base of my thumb to my tip, I don't have the longest fingers, about 7. But like I said, thick mittens, I like to have wiggle room. I'm going to aim for about 8 inches. So in this case, we have 8 inches. So 20 times 8 divided by 4. So 20 times 8 is 160. Divided by 4. Oh, this works out so much nicer. So 4 4s are 16. So it'll be about 40 stitches total. I might end up doing a little bit less than this, but if you're going for a standard one, like if you're going to start making it at a craft show, generally circumference and the height of your mittens are about the same. So I could even probably get away with 7.5. So that is how we are figuring out. So 40 is going to be my total rows for height. As for these mittens, we're basically putting on a cuff and making a long tube, and there's going to be a thumb on it. But this tube itself is going to be 24 stitches across, about 40 stitches, 40 rows high. But I might do a little bit less than that, thereabouts. So figure out gauge, not too hard. Totally like this little device. It's even got like a little cutter on it and something for measuring your crochet hooks if, like me, some of your Tunisian ones don't have some grips or them printed on or they wear off.